Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I am super excited because we are doing a mid-month check-in for our make-along for February 2025, the year of make-alongs. So this month is frogging and finishing those languishing UFOs, and I am happy to report that I do have two of mine finished. I have not made any progress on the sweater or the blanket. I have, however, finished one pair of socks. These are my Meadow Stripe vanilla socks using Peyton's Croy in Meadow Stripes. And I have finished my Musselburgh hat. So that is two that I had listed off. I had two pairs of socks, my Hermione Everyday, my Meadow Stripes. I had my hat, I had my sweater, and I had my blanket. So the Hermione Everyday socks I have made this much progress on. So we're a little over halfway done with the leg, moving into I'm going to do about 10 more rows of the leg. Then I'm going to do the cuff. So these are almost done. So I'm very, very excited with where I am. I know a pair of socks or a pair and a half of socks is not that much of a wow, but I had 5 projects to work on. I'm really hoping this week to get some work on the lemon peel blanket done. And hopefully next week I will have time to sit down with the sweater that just needs sleeves. So if I can do that and finish the Hermione Everyday socks, we will have at least 2 more finished on my end, as well as progress on another one. So I will call that a massive victory if I can get that far. So I want you to check out everybody else's progress so far that is participating and sharing pictures, and I will catch up with you in just a second. I know that this can seem like a daunting task to pull out these old projects and consider what it is that we're going to do. Are we still feeling passionate about them? Do we want to continue to work on them? Is it just time to frog it and then you have the emotional investment into these things? But really, this is great for us to help us to better enjoy what it is that we're doing and not make things feel more stressful than they really need to. These are things that we're supposed to be enjoying. We are supposed to be getting pleasure out of making these things. And please take this time as a reminder to enjoy where we are and what we're doing. So I am incredibly proud of all of us. We have made huge progress. The entire point to this month is to clear our minds, clear our spaces, clear our palettes, so we are ready to move on with the rest of the make-alongs. We started off January, used the new yarn, used the good yarn, so we're excited, we're reinvigorated, we're no longer thinking about our holiday makes, have to makes. We're now moving into getting, our joy of the craft reignited. And then for the month of February, now we're cleaning the palette. We're making sure we're getting a jump start on that spring cleaning, making headway for all the other things that we want to do this year, all the other projects we want to make this year, our focuses and everything else. So I am very proud of all of us. We are all absolutely nailing it, and I cannot wait to see where we end up at the end of the month. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I love you, and I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, guys.